Lesson 4. We're going to use what we've already learnt, and we're now going to be adding in rounding and estimating before you calculate. So, to round a number, if it's 4 or lower, you stay at that number. If it's 5 or higher, you go up. So we're going to start with this calculation. 2,763 subtract 1,435, and we're going to use rounding to help us. So we look, if we're going to round to the thousands, we look at the hundreds column. So 7. 7 is bigger than 5, so we're going to round that number up. So the 2 is going to round up to 3. And we're just going to make the whole thing 3,000. So we're rounding up to the nearest thousand. Then we're going to do the same thing with this one. So 4 stays at that number, it doesn't go up. So we look at 1, and we've got 4 just after, so it will go back to 1. So we're going to round it to 1,000. So when we've rounded it up, we then subtract it. And our estimate is the answer. The total is the estimate, so 2,000. So when we do our calculation now, we know it should be around 2,000. So if you end up with 20,000 or 200, you know your answer is wrong. So 3 take away 5, you can't do, so we're going to exchange. Going to put 1 here and 5 above because we've moved 1 across. 13 take away 5 is 8. 5 subtract or take away 3 is 2. 7 subtract 4 is 3. And 2 subtract 1 is 1. So we have a look at that and we say, right, so we've got, it's a bit less than 2,000, but it's in the right area. It's not 200 and it's not 20,000. We then will check our answers by using the inverse. So if we're subtracting, we're going to add. So if we add the answer, the lower number plus your answer together, you should end up with the number you started with, the bigger number. And I hope that's helped you.